Yeah, we got a couple more inches last night. It's about just after 6:30 a.m. on December the 5th. Sun's just about to come up here. And just taking the dog out. At least it's a little bit warmer today than it was yesterday. Let's just show you. That's the gas fireplace. Let's get to chill out a little bit in here. Since it's early enough in the morning to relax a little bit. And of course, as soon as I got that going, he decided he wants to come in. He can't really see it because it's dark in here. So I guess I'm shutting the fireplace off. First the dang cat. Okay, at least I'm a little bit more presentable now than I was earlier this morning. But it is 10 to 8. I gotta go to work. Dave's being so nice and cleaning off my car. I got a good one. I got my glasses here, but there we go. So, same thing, Thursday, workflow. That's, like I said, that's gonna be the same Monday through Friday. But tonight, I'm going to bowling. I'm not sure if many of you know, but I'm actually in a bowling league. I did a bowling league in the summer. It was every Thursday, but this one is like a fall winter one, and it's every other Thursday. So, and missed the last one because we had that nasty snowstorm that took down like all the trees and the wires and all that, and I almost got 2 feet of snow, and yeah, so it was canceled. But yep, got that tonight. Pick up some groceries at a local grocery store over that way. As some people refer as the Waggies, it's Wegmans. So I gotta stop there. It's right across the street from the bowling alley. And we'll go from there today. So stay tuned, and maybe when I get back, depending on what time I get back from bowling, maybe we'll finish decorating the tree. So stay tuned. Best husband ever. All right. Go to work. Quick stop at our local grocery store for quick lunch for me and dinner for tonight. Beef barley sounds good, so we're having that for lunch. Then I'm going to take the easy way out tonight because I gotta go to bowling, but I want something hearty. Getting stove first to make my dinner tonight. Hey, guess what? It's snowing again. Seems like every Thursday occurrence so far for the past 3 weeks. Alright, soup and crackers on this snowy day. Just realized I didn't even check in when I got home from work. It's 5:30. Dave will be coming home soon from his work, but I've just been busy between trying to get some laundry done, doing some stuff for my dad, and getting dinner ready. Like I said, I'm taking the easy way out. I'm doing Mrs. Stouffer's cooking me for tonight. I just put it in the oven and I just reheat it up. So that should be done here in a little bit. And yeah, get ready for bowling. So I just lost my train of thought. I'll be back. Okay, train of thought came back. So we're getting ready for our Margaritaville at Sea cruise, which it's a week tomorrow. I can't believe it's a week tomorrow already. But yeah, we ordered some Christmas shirts, which hopefully they will be here before we leave on Friday, because we are flying the day of the cruise, and hopefully, knock on wood, or plywood, whatever the heck, drywall, that there's no bad weather and all of that, because it's December in Pennsylvania, so anything can happen. But hopefully it'll be mild enough that we have no issues. Leaving on Newark, so it'll be a little bit warmer down that way. But I digress. yeah, got some Christmas shirts that's going to be here by the 12th. We're leaving the 13th, so fingers crossed we get them in time because they're cute. So you'll just have to see what we got on our vlogs. All right, guys, I'm gonna get dinner finished up here and probably see you at bowling. All right, in the car, kind of see me, but on my way to bowling, I gotta stop at Wegmans first, pick up Dad's groceries, then I'll go bowling. Let's see how I do. It's been a month since we bowled, so I guess I'll have to find out. All right, just picked up Dad's groceries. Let's go down the hill here and let's go to bowling. Made it. Well, they must be trying to get rid of old stock here. Hey, it's worth a shot. It's only $4.
Today, 12.5.
There's the bag. Got Mutant Brewing Poison Apple Ale. Hey, it's on a good choice.
Do you know how many weeks this thing is? I don't. I can't remember. I might say it up on the start. This one this time is that. It's not that much better. You might like it. It smells really grapey, but it tastes really grapey. It smells like cotton candy grapes, but it doesn't taste like cotton candy grapes. I can drink that over the other one. I don't like that. An aftertaste.
Not too shabby. Focus. There we go. Man, it's cold out. Didn't do too bad. Not for bowling for a month. I think I got I forgot what I got in the first game, 90 some maybe. But at least the second game I cracked 100. And got a strike in both games, so not bad for not bowling for a month. So I'm gonna head on home and probably call it a night. So I'll check in when I get home.